If you've ever tried connecting Jira with an external app, whether it's automation software, CI/CD pipelines, or reporting tools, you already know one thing. You need a Jira API token. And today, I'll show you exactly how to create one in the simplest, most foolproof way possible. No technical background needed. Let's get started. First, open your Jira dashboard using your organization-specific URL. Once you're in, head to the top left and click Your Work. Now look toward the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This takes you into your personal Atlassian account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a few tabs. Click on the one with the shield icon labeled Security. This is where all your authentication and login settings are stored. Now scroll down a bit until you find Create and Manage API Tokens. This is the section that controls everything related to generating, viewing, or deleting your API tokens. And remember, API tokens are like digital keys, so handle them carefully. Next, click the Create Token button. Jira will pop open a small window asking you to enter a label for your token. Choose a name that makes sense for its purpose, like CI/CD integration, Zapier, or reporting tool access. Labeling your token helps you easily identify it later, especially when you create more in the future. Once you name it, hit Create. Jira will instantly generate your unique API token. This part is important. Copy your token immediately because Jira will not show it again. If you lose it, you'll have to generate a new one. Finally, store your token somewhere safe, preferably in a password manager. And whenever you integrate an external tool with Jira, use this token instead of your actual password. It's more secure and gives you full control to revoke access anytime. And that's it. You've just created your Jira API token the right way and beyond. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.